How to log into JP Morgan Private Bank USA. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your JP Morgan Private Bank account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in login to JP Morgan Private Bank USA. As you do so, you will see its official website at the first search result that says login. Click open that link. Then you will get landed onto a page like this. Select if you are a United States or non-US clients. Then click on sign in. After being landed onto this page, simply type in your username. Once done, type in your password at the second box. And in case you would like this site to remember your username, then check the box that says remember me. As you do all that, click on to sign in. In case you are having any problem signing in, you can click on to forgot username/password and get help resetting your account. Just like so, if you don't have an account, click on not enrolled, sign up now and create yourself an account. And this way, you can get logged into your JP Morgan private banking account. So that wraps up today's tutorial. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so that you would never miss an update from us. Thank you for watching and we will catch you up soon.